shares of fast-moving consumer goods companies have been reeling under pressure for the last 1 month amid elevated inflation and rising input costs. Over the last 1 month, stocks of Hindustan Unilever, ITC, Britannia Industries, Godrej Consumer and Nestle India have declined up to 11% as against 2% fall in the Sensex benchmark. In July, India's headline consumer price inflation surged to a 15-month high of 7.4%, driven by a 37% surge in vegetable prices on an annual basis, 13.3% rise in pulses, and 13.04% in cereals. Prices of crude oil and palm oil too saw up to 20% jump from June lows. Going ahead, analysts see no relief for the consumer sector in the near term as prolonged inflation could dent demand recovery.
We do not see much impact of transitory food inflation, but cereal inflation can have a bearing on food companies such as biscuits and noodle, etc. Since FMCG items are small ticket size purchases, the impact on demand is likely to be limited in the current macroeconomic condition. But there could be some margin impact on the food players such as Britannia and Nestle.
Those at Prabhudas Leeladhar too remain underweight on the sector as they see inflation in staples to remain upward in the near term. Additionally, analysts opine that the prevalence of El-Nino-like weather conditions can slow the pace of rural recovery in the coming months.
While volume growth continues to recover for the 2 consecutive quarters but still remain in a low to mid single digit. Secondly, the rural growth though has seen a recovery trend, but certain rural pockets continues to remain under pressure, especially in the north and the UP markets. Fairly dry monsoon in most days of the August, which might delay further recovery in the rural.
Against this backdrop, what trading strategy should investors adopt going ahead?
Rising inflationary concerns, especially in the food segment. However, earnings outlook over the next 2 years are healthy, with expectations of improving rural demand and margin tailwinds due to the fall in prices of palm oil and crude-linked derivatives. Hence, we remain bullish on this sector and optimistic on the near to medium term outlook. Our preferred picks in this space are HUL, Godrej Consumer, Imami and Zydus Wellness.
Overall, analysts see higher inflation, El-Nino concerns and rising commodity costs as potential headwinds for the consumer sector in the near term. Markets on August 25th will closely track Fed Chairman Jerome Powell's speech at Jackson Hole.
If you like this video, share it and subscribe to Business Standard. For more news, views and insights, log on to www.business-standard.com. Do also follow us on YouTube, Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, Telegram and LinkedIn.
She has ambitions of becoming a brand. Business Standard.